Hello, I found this really cool user-friendly app called Ziplet to help make a connection with my students while teaching. Ziplet will allow me to evaluate and understand my students and their thoughts. Ziplet is a user-friendly app where teachers can communicate with their students. Students can answer questions with the response, reaction, or a rating scale or multiple choice according to their thoughts and feelings. Some of the key features on Ziplets is that it's a simple directions. There's no account setup. The only thing that the students will need to do is to download the mobile app, use the Teacher Go pin to log in, type in their name, and answer the questions. Ziplet is similar to Zoom communication. Students can answer a question with the response by typing it into the bar. They can also show a reaction with maybe a happy or sad face. The only difference between Ziplet and Zoom is that there's no share screen. The teachers do not communicate with the students face to face, and that's pretty much it. But I was really impressed with the Ziplet app because I'm still a beginner learning with technology. So it was easy for me to understand, and it would also be an app that which would be easy for me to share with my students and explain to them how to use it, which would allow me and the students to have confidence in using the app.